Hi guys, MumOf6NZ here, and I have the most perfect 3-ingredient school snack recipe that you're ever gonna need. Now, I posted these 3-ingredient cheese scones in my story and you guys went nuts for them, so here it is guys. Here's the recipe. You're gonna need 1 large mixing bowl. For coming in with self-raising flour, that's the first ingredient you're gonna need guys. And you guys know that I'm not big on measurements, guys, but work with me. I've got your back. I'll have you some measurements shortly. Second ingredient is cheese. Use whatever cheese you want. I've got Edam cheese. I'm using Edam cheese because it's lower in fat, it's higher in protein. Not only can the kids eat it, but we can too. Second ingredient is cheese, guys. And like I said, use whatever cheese you want, use whatever cheese you've got. And again, as usual, I'm eyeballing before coming in with the third ingredient, which is milk, guys. Milk! And that's it. Those 3 ingredients again is self-raising flour, cheese, and milk. And then you can kind of come in and give them a good combine, a good mix up. I did notice that I needed a little bit more milk because like I said, I eyeball everything. But if you stick to the 3-2-1 method, being 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk, and 1 cup of cheese, you're going to be right. Trust me, really I should have stuck to the 3-2-1 method as well, but because obviously I need a bigger batch, I just eyeballed everything. But really this recipe, you can't really mess it up guys. It's almost foolproof. But here we are guys, we're giving it a great mix up. Yes, I went in with some gloves so I could really get stuck in there. But once combined, you're going to roll some golf ball sized balls and pop them onto a lined baking tray before popping them into the oven on 170 degrees for about 20 minutes or until they come out looking like this. And OMG guys, like I said, perfect every time. The house is smelling amazing. The kids' mouths are watering, and because we used Edam cheese, I can eat them too. And don't forget guys, you can definitely play with the recipe if you want. Chuck some onions and bacon in next time, but you know what it is. Follow for more. Serve with butter. MumOf6NZ.
I'm not big on measurements. I've got your back. I'll give you the measurements shortly. I'm eyeballing. I should have stuck to the 3-2-1 method. You can't mess up the recipe. I could really get stuck in. Pop them onto a lined baking tray. The kids' mouths are watering. Chuck some onions and bacon in. You went nuts for them.